Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I want to talk about Altcoin Alert and a significant developments news article that caught my attention this morning, a Sig-Dev item, as we say, and how I use that for a profitable trade in Algorand. It took less than 2 hours. Let's go to Altcoin Alert in the Slack group. That's where I received the message. So this was around probably 8 or 8:30 when I saw this. It actually came down the pike around 7. And this is the item here. Climate Trade announces a partnership with Algorand, an investment from Borderless Capital English. And this is a link to Algorand's site. And I'm not going to go ahead and go over to that and read it. That would take too long, but I read it briefly. Looked good to me. And Algo isn't a coin I've been looking at lately, so anything that brings my attention to a new coin that can pump, I'm interested in that. So let's go over to the chart and look at Algo. So this morning, this is what I'm seeing. Nothing really ideal. It's had a nice run up here, but it's trending down. So I'm looking for an entry point. And I find it here when I get some green candles pushing up. So I'm in at 31.50 at 9:02. Now regarding an exit point, I've got some indicators left over from a prior Fibonacci retracement evaluation back in September. This is towards the lower buy zone back then, so I think this has room to move up. I'm not seeing a real obvious place to look for resistance until I get back here yesterday at 5 a.m. So I'm going back over 24 hours to look for some resistance candles to determine an exit point. I've got this series of candles here, right around 33.60. Then another group up here, 34.70. I kind of split the difference at 33.95. It's a little ambitious. I'm usually looking for around 5 to 10% on Sig-Dev items. The partnership news doesn't move the coins nearly as much as, say, a new listing on Coinbase Pro or Binance. But I've had some success with these in the past. So I get in, and I also benefit from a Bitcoin bump up. Goes up a couple $100 in this time frame. So anyway, my 33.95, which I thought was ambitious, ends up being kind of conservative because it kind of blasts past that and goes to almost 35 cents. But I'm out here at 33.95 at 10:48. Took about an hour and 40 minutes, and I've got a 7.67% profit. I love that as a day trader, so good stuff. I don't really have anything else. I did have another ADA up trade that went well today. I've been riding that coin a couple times in the past week or two, so I may do another video about that one tomorrow. Otherwise, I will end this now. Please stay tuned for some additional messages, and please check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.